Here I have Renault Captur. Let me show you how to adjust the home screen. Let me show you how to edit the widgets on the following car. So basically, if you would like to change the view that you are looking right now, so the home screen, let's find out how to do it. Let's follow my steps. At the very beginning, let me use the car icon at the top of the screen. Let's choose here the vehicle. Then select here Cockpit tab and choose here Edit Widgets. So the last options. So as you can see, you've got two widgets on your home screen that you can edit. So one of them is the one on the left, as you can see. Right now I'm using the audio, but I can, for example, use the date and time, phone, audio as well, tire pressure, and the vehicle. I think the most useful ones are audio or phone, so in my case, let me use, for example, audio. And then you've got the second widget that you can adjust. Here you can use the same widgets as I previously said, but in my case, I'm using Google Assistant. It's also quite useful if you are using Google Assistant a lot, so let me leave the Google Assistant. Or maybe for just showing you the change, let me add here the date and time, and now if you go back, you can see that you've got the audio and date and time here. So quite useful. Alright, so that's it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel and leave thumbs up.